Today we're doing fast food tier list. So let's start off with Louisiana Popies. Louisiana. Okay, so I've never been here, so just say B. Same for here, B. B. Well, from the reviews, it's a D. Chipotle, people love it, so just it deserves A anyways. Domino's. No, this might upset some people, but Domino's is better than Chipotle. Okay, Jollibee. From the views, I see KFC. It's 10 times better than Domino's. Yeah, I'd say a B. I'll move this up to top of the B. Panda Express, maybe I'd say just above Jollibee. Jack in the Box, just put there. Pizza Hut, so there. Hardee's, never been there, so there. Wendy's, it's probably terrible, put there. Burger King, I've never, well, I'd put it above Pizza Hut. There. Five Guys, there, because it's called Sonic, I'm going to put it after Popies, and Popies before Jollibee. Taco Bell, it just makes you want to do a poo the whole time. Let's see, Dunkin' Donuts, pretty good donuts there, say above Burger King. What is that? I'll just put In and Out. Above Panda Express. Move Panda Express. McDonald's. Probably won't upset anyone. Best thing on the list. Fish. I like fish. Since it's fish, I put A. Actually, B, right above In and Out. And Panera Bread. I like it. It might be above A. So this is my tier list. Maybe we could do another. Okay, I will not. Okay, maybe let's do. Okay, let's try. Let's try just chip, just like a chip. Chip list. Yes, just wanted. That's a lot of chips. Okay, first off, barbecue. I don't really like it. Honestly, I don't. Comment down below if Flamin' Hot Nacho Doritos are better than Flamin' Hot Cheetos. So let's just go to this. Okay, cheddar, yeah. I don't like spicy things. Okay, crunchy. Now these are good. Crunchy's better. Cool Ranch. Put above barbecue. Yeah, don't really like it. Twits, what is this monstrosity? Get up there. Sour cream. I'm not a big fan of sour cream. These are worse. What is this one? Yep, stay top. Classics, pretty good. Say above Cheeto Puffs. Where's the original Pringles? Salt and vinegar. Anything that's salt and vinegar, it's better than Doritos. I don't like spicy things, but it's Doritos and sour cream's terrible, so. Okay, I found the original Pringles. Better than Doritos. Ranch. It's probably there. Barbecue. Now these are 100 times better. It's better than classic toys. Sun chips. What are those? What are those? What are those? Ketchup. Who does that? Lime. Automatically above that. It's also very, I would say it's there. Wavy original. A Lay's wavy original. I don't know. What is this? Twits? Bad. Twits are probably better. Restaurant style, just because it said that. And yeah, I'd say that's just better than the restaurant style. Sun chips. The heck? Yes. I'll probably honestly put it above Cool. Party. More like farty. Okay. Old ketchup. Who likes ketchup chips? Okay, every single original chip goes in good tier. This one just goes out to do it. What does this black Doritos packet say? I can't read it. I'll just put it. Sour cream and onion. Sour cream and onion. What did I just hear? It's honestly gonna. Hint of lime. If anything with a hint of lime can automatically go above bad. Say above sun chips. And that is the end of the video. And this tier was honestly annoyed me a lot. My mind is blown that it did not have Smith's chips. If that's only an Aussie thing, it should be in America. Just like mind blown. Okay, that's the end of the video, everyone. Hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video. Peace out.